I doubt this works, but let's try it. For the sake of the video, I'm going to use a brow pencil from Benefit Cosmetic. First line goes down, then up to the end of your brow. Connect all of them. Create some little hairs at the front. Spoolie, and just blend it all out. Okay, how did it work this good?
Ghetto eyebrow. Hack. And like magic, this happens.
Doubt this is gonna work, but the last one did, so let's try. This time I'm gonna try a pomade from Anastasia. Then at the top, towards the middle, change direction into the brow, all the way to the end. Like this. Okay, now in, hairs in the front. Like a spoolie and blend now. Okay, I love this technique way more. Such a sharper brow.
If you have trouble filling in your brows, hear me out and let me help you. So lots of times when people first start filling in their brows, they tend to look like blocks like this. And trust me, mine looked like this for a very long time. Too long. To avoid that, you want to take whatever brow pencil you're using. I'm using the Sketch and Set from Tarte and underline your brow only on the bottom. Just to add that defining line, follow the natural shape of your brow. Then start feathering in about halfway, right around where the arch is. Do not touch this front part of your brow. Just feather in brow-like strokes towards the back and tail of your brow. Now that the back of our brow is filled in, go in with a clear brow gel and run it through your brows so that they can be up and nice and fluffy. Then jump in with the tinted brow gel on the front of your brows and gently spoolie it on the front part. And voila!
No, pues wow. Ahora el cepillo de dientes. Todo hediondo. Let's give it a try. So for the brows, I'm using the medium brown from Beauty Creations, and this is for the brows. Y obviamente que nos falte el cepillo de dientes. Okay, you guys, so I'm diving in, and this is what it should look like. Y obviamente esta aplicación es súper fácil, nomás le voy a hacer así y se tiene que mirar algo así. And of course the makeup wipe, because it is an important step. And we just have to clean underneath. Y obviamente la parte de arriba. Okay, me gusta. And I cleaned it with concealer, and this is what it looks like. I'll be right back. Wow. You tell me.
All right, we're gonna try this out. We're gonna fill in the brow. Ooh, that's strong. Yeah. Okay, but we're gonna brush it out. Take a toothbrush. Have you guys ever tried this? Okay, so brushing in, brushing up. Ooh, it's getting a little wild. Into the thick of it. Okay, let's clean it up a little bit. Okay, take a Q-tip here. Go underneath. Oh yeah, that's harsh. Okay, and take a little bit of micellar water. Maybe this will help. All right. Okay. Again, trust the process. It's nothing that a little shape tape can't clean up. Let's see. Let's do a little dot here. Buff and blend this out. I don't know. What do you guys think? Would you try this?